Spoilsport. Someone who ruins others' fun by being negative or strict. Don't be a spoilsport, let us have some fun. Pervert. Someone who has inappropriate sexual behavior or thoughts. He's a pervert, always making creepy comments. Suck up. A person who flatters others to gain favor. He's such a suck-up, always trying to impress the boss. Racist. Someone who discriminates against people based on their race. He's a racist, always making offensive comments. Psycho. A person who is mentally unstable and behaves erratically. He's a psycho, you never know what he'll do next. Phony. A fake person who pretends to be something they're not. He's a phony, always pretending to be someone he's not. Slacker. Someone who avoids work and responsibilities. He's a slacker, never putting in any effort. Moron. A very stupid person who makes foolish decisions. You're a moron for not thinking this through. Punk. A young troublemaker who is often disrespectful. He's just a punk, always causing trouble. Scoundrel. A dishonest person who behaves dishonorably. He's a scoundrel, always lying and cheating. Snowflake. Someone who is overly sensitive and easily offended. He's such a snowflake, can't take any criticism. Rascal. A mischievous person who causes trouble in a playful way. He's a rascal, always playing pranks. Recluse. Someone who avoids social interaction and prefers to be alone. He's a recluse, never comes out of his house. Nag. Someone who constantly criticizes or complains, often about small things. Stop being a nag, it's really annoying. Narcissist. A person who is excessively interested in themselves and their own appearance or importance. He's a narcissist, always talking about himself. Neurotic. Someone who is overly anxious and worried about everything. She's neurotic about every little detail. Nitpicker. A person who finds small faults in everything and is overly critical. Don't be a nitpicker, focus on the bigger picture. Nuisance. Someone who is annoying or causes problems for others. You're a nuisance, always getting in the way. Nutcase. A crazy or very eccentric person. He's acting like a nutcase, completely irrational. Overbearing. Someone who is too controlling and domineering. She's overbearing, always telling everyone what to do. Paranoid. A person who is overly suspicious and believes others are out to get them. Stop being paranoid, not everyone is against you. Peasant. A derogatory term for someone who is seen as low class or unrefined. He's a peasant with no manners. Prick. A very unpleasant and rude person. He's a prick, always being mean to everyone. Retard. An offensive term for someone with a mental disability, used to insult someone's intelligence. Don't use that word, it's very offensive and hurtful. Scumbag. A very unpleasant and morally low person. He's a scumbag, always taking advantage of others. Selfish. Someone who only thinks of themselves and doesn't consider others. You're selfish, never thinking about anyone else. Show off. Someone who likes to brag and draw attention to themselves. He's a show-off, always trying to impress people. Simpleton. A foolish person who lacks intelligence. He's a simpleton, never understands anything. Skeptic. Someone who doubts and questions everything. He's a skeptic, never believes anything without proof. Slowpoke. A very slow person who takes a long time to do anything. You're such a slowpoke, hurry up. Sociopath. A person who has no regard for others' feelings and is manipulative. He's a sociopath, always using people for his own gain. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.